Welcome to Sanjesh Construction, your trusted place for creative home design ideas. Today, we bring you small bathroom designs, perfect for modern Indian homes where space is precious but style matters. Stay tuned as we explore over 100 stunning bathroom design inspirations, full of smart ideas to make your compact bathroom look spacious, elegant, and functional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sanjesh Construction for daily design videos and tips. Space optimization. When designing a small bathroom, every inch counts. Start by choosing wall-mounted sinks and toilets. They create floor space and give a floating effect. Use corner showers with glass partitions instead of bulky cubicles. Glass keeps the bathroom visually open and bright. Always keep the floor clear. Avoid large cabinets that touch the ground. To make your small bathroom appear larger, choose light colors, whites, creams, or pastel shades. Love what you see? Tap the like button and support Sanjesh Construction, where we share real, buildable design ideas every day. Install a large mirror across one wall. It doubles the visual space instantly. Add hidden storage behind mirrors or inside wall recesses for a clean, uncluttered look. Lighting and ambience. Lighting changes everything in a small bathroom. Use recessed ceiling lights combined with mirror lights to brighten dark corners. Add LED strips under the vanity or behind mirrors for soft ambient glow. Warm white light makes the space cozy and luxurious. If you enjoy these tips, comment below with your favorite idea. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing inspirations from Sanjesh Construction. You can even place a skylight or high window for natural light. Sunshine always makes a compact bathroom feel bigger and more inviting. Storage solutions. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in a small bathroom. Use floating shelves or recessed wall niches for towels and essentials. Under-sink drawers keep items organized without crowding the room. Choose multi-purpose furniture like a mirror cabinet or a vanity with pull-out baskets. Add a narrow vertical shelf behind the door, perfect for storing cleaning products. Simple, smart ideas from Sanjesh Construction help you make the most of every square foot. If you like these designs, please like, share, and comment beautiful ideas. It really helps our channel grow and reach more dream home lovers like you. Thank you for spending time with Sanjesh Construction. We hope these small bathroom ideas help you design your perfect space. Functional, stylish, and relaxing. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite design below. Subscribe to Sanjesh Construction. We bring you daily videos on home elevation, interiors, modular kitchens, and smart design ideas. See you in our next video. And as always, build your dream home with Sanjesh Construction.